Welcome to our new series on Node.js. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, this series is designed to help you master Node.js, one of the most powerful tools in modern web development. In this series, we will cover everything from basics of setting up Node.js to more advanced topics like building APIs, working with database, and deploying your applications. This is how our roadmap is going to look like. We are going to start with introduction to Node.js, where we will discuss or we will define Node.js and what makes Node.js different from browser. We also look at models. We will talk about some types of model we have. We will talk about NPM. We also look at how to handle errors. Okay, so we are going to look at the appropriate way of handling error. We also look at asynchronous programming so far as Node.js is concerned. We also look at how we can handle files. I mean, creating files, deleting files, writing into files, and reading from files. Okay, we also dive into command line applications, APIs, template engines, database, threads, streams, and debugging. Each episode will be packed with practical examples, step-by-step tutorials, and real-world projects to help you gain deep understanding of Node.js and how to leverage its full potential in your own project. So whether you are looking to build scalable web applications, real-world chat apps, or powerful APIs, this series will provide you with knowledge and skills you need to succeed. Thanks for joining us and happy coding.